Vanakkam friends, let us review how we can expect Nifty to perform during next week, that is last week of November series. So for this, I have opened the Nifty charts on daily time frame. There are too much of lines over here and too much of indicators over here. Let me explain you which are all the important ones which we are going to review and then update you about the levels. Okay, as always, this middle line of the Bollinger Band is the 20 SMA. Our sky blue color line is the 50 SMA. Now, since Nifty has broken below 50 SMA and closed below that, the next support, which is this pink line, 100 SMA, and thereafter the final support will be the 200 SMA. So we have closed on on Thursday below 50 SMA, which means technically we are weak. But it doesn't mean one day close will take it down towards 100 DMA. We require two closes. So on Monday, if Nifty closes below 50 SMA again, what is this 50 SMA? Let me show the levels. It is approximately 17,850 to 80 odd levels. Okay, if Nifty is failing to cross this mark on Monday, that is tomorrow, we can expect further downside in Nifty. And even if it goes down, there is the next support which is coming at this particular low, that is 17,443 will be the next support, above which we will have 17,613, which is the previous swing low, as minor support. This one 17,613 will be the minor support. The major support for next week comes at 17,443 odd levels, which I have suggested earlier. Okay, if this particular level holds, we can expect a small temporary bounce. It will not be a permanent bounce, it will be a temporary bounce, which will be sold again. Earlier we were in buy on dips mode, now we have turned into sell on rise mode. So until what level we can expect a up move? The resistance comes at 18,023. See on the right side, which I have marked with the line, 18,023 will be the tough resistance for next week to break. That is still expired. Till Thursday, it is very difficult for Nifty to break 18,023. If and only Nifty closes above 18,023, we can expect some up move. That is, probably it will not happen during next week. Maybe this expiry will hold on till 18,023. That is the max we can expect this expiry. In December series, we can expect Nifty to break that level. So let's drill down further and see this in a hourly time frame. This is the hourly time frame. I have drawn a channel, downtrending channel, by marking the highs and lows of the previous week. Okay, so here if you closely observe, this Nifty is hovering between this channel for continuous 3 days. If we drag it further, it will be 4 days also. I have considered the Tuesday high as uh, an indicator for this channel. So it is hovering between this channel for the last 3 days, and we are exactly in the midway region. Midway region in the sense we are at 17,745 as of Thursday's close. On Friday, SGX has already dropped, and if you observe SGX Nifty, it has closed somewhere 90 points below this level. Let us see what is the exact level. See here, 17,678. 17,678 was the Friday close of SGX. Tomorrow SGX opens at 6:30 a.m., 6:40 a.m. in the morning, and before 9 a.m. whatever move will happen. But for tomorrow, this is the crucial level, low of SGX on Friday, 17,675. Let us come to Nifty charts again. We are at 17,745. So 17,675 is the key level which we need to watch. If that particular level fails to hold, we can easily see a dip towards 17,600, which is our initial support, 613. If and only we break 17,613, we will see the next support of 17,443. So now you are clear, I believe. See here, I have marked the support, second support over here. The first support is 17,613. Okay, that we have seen it in daily time frame. So Nifty is expected to be choppy or range bound for next week, which is 17,600 to 18,023 odd levels. This will be the range. Now, based on this, how to trade and what to trade. As I said earlier, SGX indicates a gap down opening for Monday. If that happens, take this 17,800 call. So 17,800 call, it has closed at 119.40. If Nifty is gap down with maybe 70 or 80 points tomorrow, Monday, this call will be available somewhere near 65 to 60 to 65 levels. So you can take it, or maximum 70 levels. During that time you can take it. And to add on to this, the first dip tomorrow will be definitely bought. Definitely. Whatever the dip. Either it will be 70 points or 60 points or 80 points or even 150 points. That first dip will be definitely bought. When that buying comes, you can add one 17,700 P to your put option to your existing position. In this case, whichever the side move, the move happens, either Nifty goes to 18,023 levels or Nifty goes to 17,600 levels, you will be making profits. Hope this is very clear for you, and follow the instructions whatever I have given and follow the levels as well. Okay, newcomers, subscribe to our channel, stay tuned over here. You will get enormous videos. Every week I will try to post the Nifty and Bank Nifty values, what we can expect during the upcoming week, and whenever there is an important strategy which is very simple to learn, I will keep you posted on that as well. By this way you can also learn markets in a easy manner. The ones which I have posted earlier, State Bank of India, crude oil, fancy number kind of stuff, Bajaj Finance. I have received plenty of comments from you people saying it is very simple and few are even unbelievable too. Like the one which I have shared in State Bank of India. I have not said about any charts or any technical indicators. I said just two numbers to keep in mind, and those numbers has delivered you superb results. It fell down from 545 to 495. Easy 50 points. Forget about futures. Even if you traded in cash segment, you would have made 10% returns. Along with this video, in our description, I will keep updated about the our Telegram channels. Whatever the channels we have, three channels we have, one for MCX and one for equity markets. One is for our reports. Join our channel and stay tuned over there because you will get our YouTube video only during weekends. During market hours, you will get our live updates about market and live trading calls only in Telegram channel. I have posted one poll in our Telegram channel regarding cryptocurrencies. If you find time, just go and vote that poll. Thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.